would very much appreciate if you can turn your camera on for this first course. Okay, so I'm waiting for to turn on your camera. Okay, so just to have the occasion to see us. Okay, so first of all, welcome to the large-scale integrated circuits course. Somehow this course will be something after the digital logic and digital circuits and signal course. Mainly we'll do system level design of digital systems. Okay. And we'll cover actually all the parts regarding this digital system design. Mainly we'll cover how you're going to design the processing part, the memory part, and the interconnection part. Okay, so basically in this course you'll have part regarding the processing. We'll have courses regarding how you design and how you implement memories within these systems, and also we'll have a part regarding the interconnection architectures, and we'll talk about bus-based architectures and networks on chip. Okay, so somehow this course it's complementary to the digital microsystem design course. Okay, where you have the part regarding the usage and the applications on this kind of systems, mainly related to programming. In this course, you'll have the design. So we'll start with a register transfer level. Okay, design and programming. Actually, it's not programming, it's modeling. Then we'll cover how you go from one algorithm to hardware implementation. We'll cover processing cores, and starting from instruction set architectures, going to the code corresponding to the processing core. We'll cover the part, the memories. We'll talk about memory hierarchy, and we'll cover the SRAM implementation of for memories. And the last, because SRAM memories are the ones which are on-chip, the on-chip memories. And last, we'll, as I told you, we'll have a part regarding the interconnection of different components within the systems. And I will cover the bus based systems and network on chips. This course actually it's an option if you want to follow a career in digital design and verification. Okay, so there are jobs nowadays. They are starting to have on this part actually more job because there is quite a shortage of engineers on this field. Okay, on the design of digital design engineer. Okay, and also as you know, today there is a big shortage of in the fabrication part. Okay, you know that nowadays there is this semiconductor shortage. Okay, also there is a shortage within the design houses. Okay, so from as much as I feel, okay, in the last month, 2 or 3 months, I have received job offers from Europe, UK, and so on, which in the previous years, so without for me to apply, okay, on LinkedIn and so on, from recruiting consultants, and which in the previous years there was no such thing. So to receive job offers just from nowhere, okay, without me to apply, okay. So this is actually okay, somehow the goal of this course, okay. The lab somehow complements the course. The lab actually it's designed to be done face to face, okay, because it's a project that you will implement on an FPGA board. Okay, so in the online version, it's quite far from ideal. Okay, in the online version, we'll have it's a simulation based. Okay, so this is the online version, but I would very much like to start sometime, okay, I hope in mid-November, to come to the lab to have this face-to-face and to implement your project or part of your project on the board, okay, because that's a different thing, okay. So this is for this course. Grading, it's 50-50. The exam is 50%. The project is 50%. I will talk later today at the lab about the how the about the project in more detail. Okay. Also, please beware that the labs where you will okay, I will be your lab tutor also, and therefore you'll use the same link also for the lab. Okay, I think this is, or is it a dedicated link? Okay, so you can okay, and the lab will be today from 14 from 2 p.m. till 8 p.m. Regarding the organization part for the lab, in the online version, you can attend each of the 3 slots. Okay, I will try to make to have the subgroups. Okay, please beware that for the face-to-face version, which I would like to have it, for the face-to-face version, I would like that the groups will have some, the lab groups will have some constraint. Okay, So a maximum number of students, maximum, and you will be somehow compelled to go to the same lab slot, when we'll have face-to-face, which I hope this will be I hope we have some face-to-face meetings, especially at the lab. Also, when the if the situation will allow us, I will try to have 2 or 3 courses on a face-to-face basis. So this is for me for now. So if you have questions regarding. Is someone from you which plans to have a career or ascend into digital design? Nobody?
Don't think so. For the moment, at least.
For the moment? Okay. Are you hired?
No, I'm speaking generally for the people here, I think. But yes, I'm hired right now.
What do you intend to do afterwards?
Well, I think I'm going to try to do whatever I stands in my power so I can make my life or others easier.
So regarding your career and regarding your so-called hard skills, I mean technical skills, what can you, most of you tell me something about your hard skills? So the technical ones. Something like C, C++, algorithm, object-oriented programming, whatever.
For me, most of my my technical skills are just software related, and I don't know anything about hardware. And I would like to learn.
Software relating meaning what?
Meaning programming languages like C, object-oriented, Python.
Okay, Python actually it's more scripting. Okay, related to algorithm, AI, graphics processing, acceleration techniques, parallel programming. And another question, which was your biggest project that you have developed on your own? So from start till the end. Not to work just bits on others' projects. Or magnitude of, okay, I've done it in C++. I think it had something like 100 classes, whatever. Or 200,000 lines of code. Nobody. You didn't any kind of project on your own? Okay. Okay. Yes.
We're sorry, I guess we're a little bit shy this morning with answering.
Yeah, if you did it, actually, you would be proud, okay, of your little thing, okay, especially if it works, okay. And okay, doing your own projects and your own stuff, it would actually give a strong actually it will make a big difference in your learning path, okay. As far from my experience, I can okay, even if it is a good programmer, okay, and works in Verilog, I can see from the way he writes the code that actually he's a good programmer, okay. So from the start, I can figure out, okay, he's, let's say, even if he doesn't have a clue about, let's say, Verilog, okay, or VHDL, okay. So okay, and if you have projects, you have your own problems, and you do what debugging stuff, and the debugging stuff is actually what most of the learning goes. Okay, so this is for this week's course. We'll meet next week on Wednesday, okay, on the same link, and we'll meet also for the laboratory this afternoon, starting from 2 p.m. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.